This is Virginia Kaufman. She's a senior physician assistant student at Damon College in Williamsville, New York. She was a student who went on a trip to Haiti with the Hope for Tomorrow Foundation, and she's going to give her perspective as a student at Damon College, having had this experience. Go ahead, Virginia.
I was able to participate in the Hope for Tomorrow medical mission to Haiti this year in May, and I feel that being a physician assistant student at Damon really prepared me for the medical mission to Le Cay in Haiti. That was the little town that we helped. They were affected by the earthquake as well. Being a student at Damon, I not only learned about studying about didactics and things like that, I learned hands-on things like how to suture, how to do a physical assessment, how to take a history, etc. And I feel that those skills really helped me at the medical mission in Haiti, and they were reinforced with the doctors that I worked with in Haiti. And it was clear that they really needed medical help in that town. There were a lot of patients that needed to get surgeries done, and we couldn't help everyone, but we did our best there. And I was able to see a different face of healthcare and medicine being there. I was able to appreciate how we have health insurance out here, how we have programs such as Medicare, Medicaid, things like that. Those things don't exist out there in Haiti. They are very limited. They don't really have the resources for that. So it was a full perspective for me. I learned about life, and I learned about medicine and how to operate, things like that. It was a great experience for me as a student.
So how do you think this is helpful for students that are applying to Damon College versus some other colleges for training in physician assistant?
I feel that Damon is a very good physician assistant program, and I'm not saying that because I go there, but I did my research before applying. They are in the 99th percentile with board scores compared to other competitors in the area. And they do a medical mission trip to the Dominican Republic every year, which I was able to participate in as well. So I feel like the program itself is very well organized. The professors are excellent. They make sure that everyone gets the training that they need to go out there and do their rotations and to be prepared as a physician assistant.
So I understand you wrote a thesis. Is that a requirement for students
Yes.
at Damon College?
Yes, everyone has to write a thesis to get their master's degree in physician assistant.
Okay, and I understand that you're writing a book about physician assistants. Tell us a little bit about that.
I'm writing a book with Dr. Karamanoukian. He is a vascular surgeon that I worked with in Haiti. He taught me how to approach the operating room, how to suture, many things. It was a great experience. And I'm currently doing this vascular rotation with him now. And basically we're going to write a book about the profession itself, about the history, the future, and how it's affecting the community. And the history of the profession in a nutshell started with a cardiothoracic surgeon and an apprentice. So I think it's really interesting that I'm going to be able to participate in something like that.
It's quite an interesting partnership between physician assistants and physicians, and that's one of the things you're doing your research on, apparently, to find out the history and to put things in perspective as to where physician assistants were, what the present is, and the future. So I think the future is very bright for physician assistants, and I applaud you for taking on a big program or big endeavor like that. I understand this book's going to be anywhere from 150 to 200 pages. Is that correct?
Yes.
And so you've been doing this for about 6 months, I understand?
Right.
So it's a lot of work in writing this thing. And so I guess you're preparing yourself to become an academic physician assistant. Is that true? Or I know you're very interested in having clinical work as a physician assistant. So in addition to that, you're planning on teaching this
Right.
to other students once you graduate?
Yes. My goal is to teach at the PA program, hopefully at Damon, and also to clinically practice medicine on the side as well. And I feel that to be able to share that with the newly graduating students that are coming every year is a great experience to share what I was able to learn as a student and as a graduating physician assistant next year is going to be excellent. Good experience.
Thank you very much for giving us your perspective. This is Virginia Kaufman. She's a physician assistant student at Damon College. Thank you.